Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardener. So I came out here to tell you about my mango tree. Little old Keat. She's gone, y'all. She died. Was trying to save her, but she's gone. And sometimes that happens like that. Now, the good thing about me buying so many trees is that I know I'm going to lose some. I don't try to lose some, but I know I'm going to lose some. So, I think trees weed themselves out. The Venus, she's doing pretty good. And there's her little buddy on there. We have this right here. We have a lot of seedlings right here. This tree right here, I'm going to go ahead and graft on this tree right here. So I'm hoping that backyard Orlando gardener, I'm hoping that he does a grafting video to try to help me along, because he said he's doing a lot of grafting, and this year that's coming up, I want to go ahead and try my hand in grafting and air layering. So hopefully, he can help me out with a garden video, even if it's a short one, on grafting. So, how you doing, backyard Orlando gardener? This is another seedling right here. Okay, so these are two seedlings, and I'm trying to save that so I can go ahead and graft on those. Okay, we got the Pickering. The Pickering is doing their thing. She had got her chop. She will not be chopped anymore, and I'm going to go ahead and let her go through the winter. She will be very well protected. These mango trees that I'm showing you, they actually made it through last winter, so I'm hoping they do the same, and they was actually smaller. This one right here, this is Valencia Pride, and I thought she wasn't going to make it because we actually had to chop her because she looked like she was dead in the winter. But she's way above the graft, so when we chopped it, she was still above the graft, and there she go. Look at her go. So we're going to put another structure to protect her from the cold. So hopefully she makes it there. And I don't know what's going on with fruit punch. I really don't. Now this tree has given me problems since I've had it, actually. And she made it through the winter though. I expected my Carrie and Super Alfonso to make it because they looked a lot stronger, and she has given me problems since I've had her, but she's still there, so we'll see what's going to go on with her. And last but not least, my other favorite is the ice cream mango. Now she has given us fruits, okay? She is the oldest of my mango trees. She has gotten tipped, and she makes it through the winter too without any problem. Okay, so I had a lot of mango trees before, and a couple of them didn't make it. And it could be due to my inexperience with mango trees. It could be it just wasn't meant to be. Whatever the case may be, I just go ahead and move on, learn from it, and see if I can do better. So this year coming up, I do want to learn how to do a lot of grafts. And hopefully all my mango trees survive this winter. I will be doing everything to protect them. I already have the stuff to protect them. So hopefully they'll go ahead and survive through the winter. And the good thing about buying a lot of trees is being a tree addict, and I have actually slowed down in buying trees, so I have not bought trees in a while. But is that the ones that die, I will not be replacing, and the other ones get the chance to come out of the pot and go into the ground for the ones that didn't make it. Okay, so I'm just bringing you my mango collection, and hopefully these trees will make it through the winter. Okay, hoping you're having a blessed day. If you like this video content, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and you could go ahead and leave any comments down below for any advice you can give me on grafting of mango trees. And hope you have a nice day. Goodbye.